Social media, what are some big changes in 2021?
Okay, so speaking of things we didn't see coming,
Yeah.
in 2019 and early 2020, we were up in the club, and that was a nightclub. But now we're up in Clubhouse.
Yes.
Are you a Clubhouser, Norm?
I'm a clubhouser.
You're in the club?
I am in the club.
I have to say, I think this really took off like just on fire overnight. It's like it ignited, and it was all these celebrities coming on board. I don't think any of us could have planned or pivoted for it. I always keep, very abreast to all the social media trends and what's coming out in 2021 and all that. And Clubhouse was not on that list, and it just caught fire. And I am so impressed to see the engagement around it and the following that people that everyone's using it, from rappers to entrepreneurs and influencers. It's a huge deal, and I think that more brands are going to start jumping on it. We have our experts, our team of Helium 10 experts, who are often seen in Clubhouse live chats and streaming and chatting with everyone. Especially, what was it on Sunday? I don't know if you caught it, Norm. Elon Musk was hopping in.
Yeah.
Did you partake?
No. 10 o'clock, I'm having warm milk and going to bed.
Me too. I'm right there with you. He needs like an early bird special for us. But I think that's the connectivity is so exciting to see, that there's this streamline to these huge names, these innovators, these entrepreneurs, that is unlike anything else. And I think especially with, maybe we're kind of going through this live chat, live stream, I don't want to say burnout, but it's a different type of chat. It's a different type of connection. You're not looking at people. You don't have to get glammed up like you and I, Norm. This is our regular routine. You can be kind of laying in bed and share your thoughts, and I think it lowers inhibitions. I think people are more raw and real. And I can only see that growing in 2021, especially as, more people are still working from home, and networking in person is limited. So I see that only going bigger and better moving into the year.
Yeah, it's definitely working its way out, trying to figure out what it is. And like at the very beginning, this is crazy. Around Christmas, Isabella Hamilton, Paul Barron,
Yep.
Rich Goldstein, and myself were about the only four people on Clubhouse that I knew of.
Trailblazer. You're a trailblazer.
Well, we never, it was all Paul. Like Paul said, have you heard of this? No. And then